Welcome to Decor Land. Today we are discuss about 100 plus orange sofas designs. A living room, the choice of furniture, play the crucial role in the setting, the tone and style of the space. One particular furniture piece that can make a bold statement is the orange sofa. The vibrant and warm hue of an orange sofa can add pop of color and create a energetic atmosphere in your living room. There are numerous design ideas that you can incorporate when working with an orange sofa in your living room. One approach is to create a contemporary and modern look by pairing the orange sofa with sleek and minimalistic furniture pieces. Opt for clean lines, natural colors, and geometric shapes to complement the vibrant orange hue. This combination will result is a visually striking and cohesive living room design. Ultimately, you can create a more electric and bohemian vibe by mixing and matching different patterns, textures, and colors. Use vibrant throw pillows with interactive patterns complemented by bold rugs and curtains. By blending various elements, you can create a visually stimuli and dynamic living room. Unique personality and style to create a harmonious color scheme. Consider combining the orange sofa with completely colors. Shades of blue for intense can create a visually pleasing contrast and balance out the vibrant orange. You can incorporate blue through accents, shades, artwork, and decorative accessories. The combination of orange and blue will create a lively and refreshing atmosphere in your living room. Lighting is another crucial aspect to consider when designing a living room with an orange sofa to enhance the ambience and create a warm and inviting space. Opt for soft and warm lighting fixtures. Choose table lamps, floor lamps, or pendant light with warm toned bolts to create a cozy atmosphere that complements the energetic vibe of the orange sofa. Lastly, do not forget to incorporate personal touches and elements that reflect your own style and preference. Display artwork, family photographs, and cherished memory that add characters to personality to your living room. These personal touches will make your space feel more inviting and unique. Orange sofas can be a stunning focal point in your living room design. Whether you prefer a contemporary or electric style, there are various ways to incorporate an orange sofa into your space. Experiment with different color schemes, textures, and patterns to create a living room that is vibrant, stylish, and truly reflect your personality. Thank you much for joining us on this journey. through the world of interior designs.